This model kit review is of the Porsche 911. This Porsche is called the American Roadster, and it's convertible. It is a 1/24 scale model by Italeri, and it's a very nice drawing of the car. Some more details there. Don't see any other pictures anywhere. Let's have a look inside. First of all, here's the body, and a little scratched up there. We sanded out. That's the sort of classic Porsche look. Nicely molded. We do have some mold lines here. That's easily sanded out. Here we have our chrome parts. These are fairly nicely painted, so I think we can probably use those. And they're also joined at the back. Here are our tires, and they're soft rubber, still pretty flexible after all those years. Here is our chassis, and looks like we've got some engine parts molded in. That's a little disappointing. We have our glass and headlights, the Porsche rear lights there. Here we have our bumpers and the grille. Molding quality there is okay. A couple areas will need to be sanded down. And we have our side lights, some engine parts. These are the light caps here. And there's the flat 6-boxer engine kind of molded in. And then this is the convertible cover. Molding quality is okay. Reasonably good in most places. Here we have our door panels and suspension with drive shaft steering rack suspension parts here. Here we have our disc brakes and seats. We've got our dashboard. Here's our cockpit tub, separately molded windshield wipers, and all reasonably well molded. We've got a few parts that have fallen off, and those all look pretty good. Exhaust parts, and this is for covering the dashboard. A few more parts that have fallen off here. We just need to keep all of these together. Back of the seat there. Here are our decals. And let's have a look at our instructions. So first of all, we start off here with our parts listing and colors needed. We'll start to put the engine parts in, and then suspension parts, and then the lower pans go on. Remaining engine parts and wheels. Next we have our cockpit being built with the doors, dashboard, seats. That goes onto the chassis. We have our rear bumper, glass going on, and then the covers as well as the hood. Lights going on, all the extra body pieces, and exhausts. So all in all, reasonably well molded, reasonable level of detail.